Hello, this is Justin from the Dynamail project, and I am currently doing screencasts going over some of the major new features you'll find in Dynamail version 6.7.0. I'm going to go over actually right now the jQuery plugin for Dynamail. This is totally new and allows you to either set up a subscription form on your web page just using a couple lines of JavaScript, or take control of an already existing form of your own design and make it work with Dynamail without having to visit Dynamail itself. So it's very unobtrusive, which is great, because a lot of people want to use Dynamail, but they just want you to work on their own site. They don't want you to feel as if you left the site for Dynamail, things like that. So let's illustrate this point. I'm on the Dynamail support site, which is an awesome site. I think you should check it out. And on the top of the Dynamail support site is a subscription form for my own newsletter about Dynamail. So I'm going to add in. I'm going to enter my own email address because I would love to subscribe and receive Dynamail news and announcements. And I'm going to click join. And when I do, you'll see that a modal window has opened up and tell me that I'm successful and I should check my email. And that's what the new jQuery plugin does. So this is different from what usually happens. Usually you submit the form and leave your main website and go to Dynamail. Great, so let's check our email and see if that confirmation link has actually shown. Hello! And it has. So if I click this link, I will subscribe to the newsletter. Another feature I want to show you about the new jQuery plugin is it's kind of smart. So there's things that it can handle itself. So one of those things is if you try to subscribe an email address twice. What usually happens in Dynamail by default is you go, hey, what are you doing that for? Don't do that. Is this a mistake? If so, we're going to show a capture form, and that'll allow you to try to confirm your subscription. So I'm going to click that join button again. Great, and what happens is it gives me a little bit more information about why it wouldn't let me subscribe and allow me right here to solve a little CAPTCHA to send myself another confirmation link. Nicely enough, I actually found the original email I requested, and I can just click that. Fantastic. Now I'm subscribed to my own link. So if you'd like to start using this on your own website, the documentation in the subscription cookbook will show you how you can integrate an already existing form or have the jQuery plugin make the form yourself. So it's really simple, about 2 lines of JavaScript, which is pretty fantastic. So, and if you want to see how this whole system works, by default in Dynamail, starting with version 6.7.0, most of the subscription forms will actually be set up to use the plugin. So let's go to my Dynamail. And on the default screen of each Dynamail is a subscription form. So if I fill this out, you'll see that a similar modal window pops up and gives me a confirmation. And again, it's smart enough to know that if I enter an invalid address, it won't even let me submit the form, which is great. So that should help alleviate some errant hits on your server. And that's the new jQuery plugin in Dynamail version 6.7.0.